After the flagship Vivo X300 series, Vivo has come up with a value flagship smartphone, the Vivo X200T. This means this phone promises flagship level performance and satisfaction at a slightly lower price. But does it really deliver? Let's find out in this review video. I'm your host Harshit Arora. चलिए टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं, सीधा शुरू करते हैं. The Vivo X200T looks quite similar to its higher-end sibling. You get the same circular camera module with Zeiss branding. The back is made of glass which doesn't hold fingerprint smudges easily, so I use this phone without case most of the time. On the right side, the metallic frame houses the power button and volume rocker, while the other side is completely clean. This phone is not too heavy either, so even if you use it with one hand, the phone doesn't slip or feel uncomfortable and you get a good grip. The 6.67-inch LTPO AMOLED display does not disappoint. You get vibrant output, and thanks to 120Hz refresh rate and slim bezels, gaming and movie watching become even more enjoyable. While traveling, I use this phone in outdoor conditions as well, and the display is visible enough to consume the content. And as a complementary feature, you get good dual stereo speaker which enhances the overall media experience. The Vivo X200T comes with MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus processor paired with LPDDR5X Ultra RAM and UFS 4.1 storage type. To test this phone's power, we ran multiple benchmarks and played several high-end games on it. The test results are on your screen. In N22 benchmark, it scored 22 lakh, which is quite impressive. We played games like BGMI, Genshin Impact and Espal. All games were played at maximum graphics settings, and even after that, the phone performed consistently without any noticeable frame drops. However, while playing Genshin Impact for around 30 minutes, the device did start heating up. Apart from gaming, you can handle multitasking and day-to-day tasks effortlessly. App opens quickly, animations are smooth and snappy, and app switching is fast as well. Vivo has equipped the X200T with a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, which is fast, accurate, and hence registering fingerprints with a quick response time. Coming to the cameras, the Vivo X200T features a 50+50+50 megapixel triple rear camera along with a 32 megapixel selfie camera. The main camera captures detailed photo with natural colors and good white balance, and the ultra wide camera delivers similar results too. Trust me, I tried clicking photos in many tricky lighting conditions and the results were quite satisfying. Low light photos are impressive as well. The details remain clear and you won't notice excessive artificial brightness. However, the real showstopper is the telephoto lens. It supports 3x optical zoom and the portrait shots are truly impressive. The edge detection is accurate and you can see a natural bokeh effect. Moving on, let's talk about the front camera performance. Selfies are detailed and skin tone looks natural. Similarly, selfie portraits are well detailed with good background blur and balanced exposure. You can record up to 4K at 60 FPS videos from both the rear and front camera. The output is good and the footage remains stable even without stabilization turned on. Details are clear and colors are punchy. You can comfortably use this phone for product shoot or vlogging. The Vivo X200T packs a 6200 mAh battery and comes with a 90-watt charger inside the box. On a full charge, the phone can easily last an entire day. I use this phone as my secondary device, watched 2 movies, played games for around 30 minutes and did calling and photography session, and the phone still had battery left by the end of the day. To charge the phone, you get a 90-watt charger, and charging the battery from 0 to 100% takes less than an hour, which is impressive. So if you are someone who doesn't use the phone heavily for games or photography every day, you can easily get more than a day of battery life. Before concluding, let me tell you this phone starts at 59,999. If you are looking for a smartphone with a versatile camera system, good gaming performance, a great display for binge watching and all-day battery life in the value flagship segment, then the Vivo X200T is definitely a solid option to consider. Well, what do you think about this phone? Do let us know in the comment section and subscribe to Gadget 360 for more such unbiased reviews.